Okay, this is a Kronoswiss Aquastop. It's 12mm. It's Zermatt. This is over slate tiles. They're really uneven and seems to come out really well. We have to do a little bit of packing and levelling, but yeah, come out really nicely. So Daisy, you've been a big help, haven't you? There's a matching reducer. We did the ensuite as well. All the skirts, I've just been filling them. All the skirts bead. It's all got clear silicone under it. It's a really nice natural colour, the Zermatt. Just put some steel trim around the burner. Nice T-mould again. Got the sliding doors. We replaced all the skirts. They were tiled up too, so it's pretty impossible to get them off without smashing them up. As you can see, we've come into the bathroom. All the quads, waterproof, all siliconed. And the loo. Okay, nice reducers everywhere. Yeah, so another lovely Aquastop install. Daisy loves it, don't you, Daisy? Do you love it? Yes, yes she does.